What's up guys? So Mr. Borkchild back here with another video. I'm doing a reshoot of basically the last video, except we're going to do it on Mac this time. So just go ahead and click the link in the Discord for the Mac download. Once you have the Mac download, well actually I think it's going to end up prompting me to, yeah, I can't scan it for viruses, so just go ahead and click download anyway. Once it's downloaded, I try to open it and it gives me some type of permission error. So yeah, it just says, I don't have permission to open this. Go to your terminal. Basically, you can go up to the magnifying glass, just search terminal, and then when it goes, once you're in the terminal, just type sudo space spctl space dash dash master dot disable or dash disable, and then once you have that, type in your password. Now, I followed some tutorial on YouTube, which actually was linked in the Discord. I didn't realize it till after I made this, but it showed some new option coming up inside of your preferences, system preferences. It shows some, yeah, down below where it says allow apps downloaded from anywhere. It was supposed to have a third option there. Mine didn't show that, but I just kept going and basically typed sudo dash chmod space dash r. Make sure the R is capitalized, and 755. From there, you want to basically copy and paste the path to your file. So for me, I just went to the file, right-clicked it, and went to get info. And then once you get info, you'll have that window on the left, and you can just go down and copy and paste that where right there. So just copy that, paste it in, and then at the very end, once you're in the downloads folder or wherever you saved it, just go ahead and do a slash and then the name of the file dot app, because it's an application. And then once you have that last little bit here at the end, just hit enter. It's going to prompt you for your password again. Go ahead and type in your password. And then once you have that, you should be able to open it. So pretty simple steps. Two commands basically you got to do in your terminal in order to get it to work. Not too difficult. Hopefully you guys are able to follow along with this. I'm not 100% sure if this is going to work on every single MacBook, but I have a MacBook Pro and it worked on that. So hopefully you guys are able to get this downloaded and start playing. And that's all I got for today, guys. Have a good one.